How to recover deleted message on Viber. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to recover deleted messages in your Viber. So in that case, you need to make sure that you've already turned on your backup. So to turn on backup, you have to go to the more section and then go to settings. As you go to settings, go to account and you could see Viber backup and make sure that the backup is turned on. As the backup is turned on, all of this chat and all of these information will be stored to your particular account. And what next you want to do is, in order to restore it or to recover it, you could go to the account and go to Viber backup one more time and click on the restore. As you click on restore your chat history, if you're sure about it, click on that, and this is going to recover your deleted messages. However, if you have already deleted the messages or that you've unsent it, then this might be quite difficult for you to restore it. However, you could give it a try, but then it's kind of impossible to get back the deleted message that has been deleted in the chat itself. All for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.